Let's go. We're walking. Meeting up with our tuk-tuk driver Ross to take us to Angkor Wat sunrise. Hope that's him. Hope we didn't get up for no reason at all. I got my little troopers here. My trooper page. Yeah, how about you? You a trooper? Yeah, good. I know.
Daddy's looking at a map. I don't see how this is a floating village.
Just got to the floating village. A little bit on the steep side to rent a boat for the group of us, but hope it'll be worth it. Really enjoying this views behind us. Where are we going today?
Pink Temple!
How many days of temples have we done?
I don't know. 104.
That's what it feels like. Sing for me. All right, now stop. Now roar like a lion. All at once, ready? Ready, all the count of three, ready? 1, 2, 3. So we're walking right now to Banteay Srei, the Pink Temple, which is considered the most beautiful temple. All the temples are starting to blend together a little bit, but this one is different, being pink. Hopefully the girls will enjoy it. It was our last day of doing temples, and I think we've done as much as we want to do. Uh, 29, 30.
30.
Your English is good. 11 years old. How old are you? 11. How old are you? 8. My one daughter's 8. How old are you?
8.
You're 8? How old are you? 8. Wow.
No, 8.
She's not 8?
9.
Oh, 9. Oh, you forgot a birthday. Chicken barbecue?
No.
Frog?
Maybe. Yeah.
You'd rather have frog than chicken barbecue.
Yeah. I don't like chicken barbecue.
Back with Saras, hopping on the tuk-tuk to go to, I believe, some mountain. Not quite sure what's up here. Having a lot of horse crap all the way up the path, which is nice.
You know, poop.
A volcano of poop?
Yes.
That's gross. Watch out for that poop. And that poop.
That looks like a big volcano.
And any other volcanoes of poop you may see.
And it stinks.
Well, it is poop.
Poop always stinks.
Yes, it does.
walking down the hill from seeing the temple that was not worth walking up the hill for, avoiding cow poop. And now I got this goat glaring at me. Give me the evil eye, evil goat eye. So we're gonna treat these kids to one of these lollipops that are being custom made by this guy off the back of his bike. They're about 10 cents each. So I think we'll be able to swing it even for, I don't know, 25 kids, whatever's here. Running in down the street. Word is out, we're now over 71 kids. My $5 is gonna quite stretch that far. 74 kids.
75, 76.
Well over 100 kids now. Lollipop man literally ran out of sugar making lollipops for all the kids.
He literally just was like, "Arr." He was like, la la la, so beautiful.
He started slipping, and then all the other kids came and she was. It was just a ball.
Alright, bye Ross. Thank you.
My favorite temple would be, you know, the one that was very small. A hallway all the way through and had little rooms
Pink
all
temple?
around.
What was your favorite part of Siem Reap?
The orphans. We played with them, we taught them how to play cards, we taught them a little bit of English, we taught them a little bit of Spanish. Yeah, we got them pizza and we got them 6 boxes and they ate them all. I liked seeing the baby kitty cats from the orphans.
There were kids, we gave away pens, and some kids didn't get pens. So then we paid for
100.
100 lollipops.
I